In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio on Google Docs. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional document that's easy to update, share, and present. Start by opening Google Docs and either creating a blank document or selecting a resume-style template. Templates can speed things up with built-in layouts, but a blank page gives you full control. If you choose a template, feel free to adjust fonts and colors to match your personal brand. Begin with a simple cover page. Add your name prominently, include a professional title or area of focus, and list contact details such as a professional email and a link to your portfolio website or LinkedIn. Keep the cover page uncluttered, centered, and balanced with generous spacing. Next, structure the document using headings. Use heading 1 for your main sections, About Me, Skills, Projects, and Experience, and heading 2 for any subsections you want to add. Headings not only make the document easier to skim, they also power Google Docs navigation tools, which we'll turn on in a moment. Populate each section with concise, relevant content. In About Me, write a brief summary that highlights your strengths and interests. Under Skills, group related abilities and avoid long paragraphs. In Projects and Experience, lead with impact. Name the project or role, mention the tools or technologies used, and explain the outcome or results in a sentence or two. To showcase your work visually, insert images, links, or tables. Use Insert to add images of projects, then resize them so they don't overwhelm the page. Add descriptive captions and consider alt text for clarity. For links, highlight text and choose Insert Link so your document looks neat. Tables work well for listing projects with columns like title, role, tools, and results. Turn on Outline View by going to View and selecting Show Outline. This creates a sidebar with your headings, making it easy to jump around and confirm your structure at a glance. Keep formatting consistent using styles and clean spacing. Set your heading 1 and heading 2 styles and apply them across the document. Use consistent fonts, sizes, and colors. Avoid multiple empty lines. Instead, adjust spacing in the Format menu for a polished, readable layout. When you're ready to share, click Share and set access to Viewer so others can't edit. For a portfolio you'll email or upload, go to File, Download, and choose PDF for a universally compatible, professional finish. Before sending, preview the PDF and check it on a phone to ensure everything looks great. And that's your Google Docs portfolio. Simple, organized, and ready to showcase your best work.